This then is the grand entrance to the rear Garson Theater. On Hillcrest at Hinkley. A gift from Miss Garson. The 5th floor of the Greer Garson Theater building. When our visitors come in through that elevator, they will stop by the receptionist's desk and walk through our museum to one of our several screening rooms. We have a lot of light exposure. In fact, the whole semicircular front of the building and a balcony there and another balcony on Hillcrest. But this, as you might guess, is one of my favorite rooms, being the director's office. Ah, yeah, here we go. Finally, room to put away everything I had. And, in case I feel like it,
the Marble Jones Theater is still there. It's just that the entrance
view of the city. Yes, after only 30 years of waiting, here I'll be able to sit and survey the world outside. Down each of these hallways on either side of the museum reception area are our other offices for our other staff members and researchers, visiting researchers, and so forth. And then one of the screening rooms is right up here. They're all served by the same technician in a well, if I can get in this master control room. Ah, yes. Here we are. Here we'll be able to show 35 millimeter, the 16 millimeter and video projection, and over here more 35, and right here projection for a conference room, which will include video and 16 millimeter projection. Window from the projection booth, you can see a rather innovative idea of ours. It's called the Cinematheque. When people come in the front door, they are dispatched to the Cinematheque, the Videotheque, I mean, and there they are fed a video image of whatever it is that they came here to see. And as you can see, we haven't gotten it, we got it finished but not furnished yet. So we're hoping for that very soon. Yes, here we've got a view of one of our screening rooms taken from the projection booth window. And you can see that we've got a very nice venue for visiting filmmakers and for showing some of our 9,500 treasures anytime, day or night, that we want to, and that we think maybe a group of other people will want to, like our friends of the archives. Other view. A 35 millimeter screening room. The elevator is not yet working, so in order to visit the rest of our quarters, we have several flights of stairs. If you manage to get to the bottom of those long flights of stairs, and you come into the sub-basement, which is another one of our layers, you run into not only the four major workrooms here on the right, but also through these windows you can see our vault. What a mammoth thing it is, 3,700 square feet with its own climate. 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 50% relative humidity. Right now, the compressible shelving is getting ready to be installed. You can see those pallets on the floor. Once they are installed, this will look pretty much just like a solid steel bank. If you want an aisle, you make an aisle. That way we can have about half as much, again, room for all of our films. And in order to deal with the films, we have workshops, each of which is about this size. This would be the later on film transfer and restoration, preservation workshop. We've got a paper materials preservation and storage workshop, and we've got a special film to video transfer shop. Got a here we are. Into the vault. A forest, soon to be heavily populated with great movies from the past 75 years.